Midday News is brought to you by DOGRA A1 Digital Hearing Aid Center, Jammu, offering special discounts for the senior citizens and reimbursement schemes for the government employees. The Jammu and Kashmir administration on Monday signed a memorandum of understanding with the NBCC to set up the ID towers in the twin capital city of Jammu and Srinagar. The MOU signed between the top officials of the NBCC and the JK IT Infrastructure Development Company in the presence of Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha for establishing the two IT towers at a cost of Rs 50 crore each. Sinha set up the deadline for 15 months and 17 months for the completion of the towers at Jammu and Srinagar respectively. A fresh avalanche warning has been issued during the next 24 hours for the upper reaches in Jammu and Kashmir, where light to moderate snow and rain has been predicted till Tuesday. An official of Jammu and Kashmir Disaster Management Authority said that medium and low levels avalanche could occur at the upper reaches of the avalanche-prone areas of J&K. Jammu and Kashmir recorded 133 fresh COVID-19 cases on Monday, bringing the infection count to 121,786, while 5 fatalities in the last 24 hours raised the death toll to 1,891. 58 of the fresh cases were from Jammu Division and 75 from the Kashmir Division of the Union Territory. The number of active cases dropped to 2,684 in the Union Territory, while 1,17,211 patients have recovered so far. 2 of the new deaths linked to COVID-19 were from Jammu Division and 3 from the Kashmir Valley. Advisor to Lieutenant Governor Rajiv Rai Bhatnagar on Monday chaired a meeting to review the arrangements for smooth implementation of COVID-19 vaccination plan in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Advisor Bhatnagar directed the officials for the efficient planning beforehand and compile a database of potential vaccinators, prioritized groups of beneficiaries to be administered the vaccine in its initial stage well in advance so that no bottlenecks are faced during the vaccination drives. India recorded 16,375 new cases of coronavirus, the lowest in over 6 months, taking the country's COVID-19 caseload to 1,356,844, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Tuesday. The death toll increased to 1,49,850 with 201 new fatalities. The COVID-19 active caseload remained below 3 lakh for the 15th consecutive day. After the 8th round of the talks, the centre could not reach any solution as the farmer unions remained adamant over the repealing of 3 farm laws, Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar said on Monday. However, the minister said he is hopeful that a conclusion will be found in the next round of talks, which will be held on January 8th at 2 p.m.
बात चलती रही, थोड़ा बहुत बात MSP पर भी हुई, लेकिन आज हम कोई निर्णय तक नहीं पहुंच सके और इसलिए यूनियन और सरकार दोनों ने मिलकर तय किया कि 8 तारीख को पुनः 2 बजे बैठेंगे और इस चर्चा को आगे बढ़ाएंगे.
Advisor to Lieutenant Governor Basir Ahmed Khan has lined up a series of activities for the Tourism Department with a view to promote border tourism across the international border. He directed the officers for identification of certain locations along the IB to be covered under the ambit of the border tourism. Advisor issued these directions while chairing a meeting held with the officers from Tourism and Border Security Force for identification and development of the certain locations for promotion of border tourism in Suchetkar, Samba and other places. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh said on Monday, the India Space Research Organization collaboration with private sector will boost the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Noting Prime Minister Narendra Modi's personal intervention in this regard, Dr. Singh said Narendra Modi made this possible to arrive at the historic decision to open up India's space sector for participation by the private players. Principal Secretary, Cooperatives, Animal Husbandry and Agriculture Department Naveen Kumar Chaudhary on Monday chaired the 7th Board of the Director meeting of Jammu Central Cooperative Bank. Naveen, who is also the chairman of the bank, directed the newly appointed managing director to conduct a comprehensive review of the structure of the bank, including its ITS, and initiate steps for restructuring wherever required. He also asked him to board the bank fully on automatic systems like core banking system and other PFMS platforms. Amid questions raised by the industry experts and opposition parties on the emergency approval of its coronavirus vaccine without publication of efficacy data, Bharat Biotech's chairman on Monday hit out at critics, saying his firm has carried out 200% honest in clinical trials. At a media conference, Krishna Ella said his firm has a track record of producing safe and efficacious vaccines and was transparent with all the data.